Dear students, in this video, I'm going to give some information about functions. What is meant by function, how it is going to work. So as you know well, function means it is defined only for doing the specific task. So when we call that function, it will come and do the specific task, whatever it is mentioned, and after completing that task, it will again return to the main function. So how it is going to work, let me show this diagram. So this is our main function. Our main function will start with int main or void main. So here number of codings will be there. Okay. So the step by step codings will be there. In that, here I am calling some function. Its name of the function is insertion at beginning function. Okay, I am calling the function. This part is called function call. Function call. Okay, so if I call this one, the control will directly goes to the particular function. Okay, so this is function call. I am calling from here, so the control will go to that particular function, the same name. What is the name? Insertion at the beginning. Okay, and its data type is void. Okay, so directly it will go here, and whatever the task we assigned, everything will be performed one by one. After completing that, again its control will come to the same place from where we called. So in this way, the function will be working. For example, this is the classroom. Here I assigned one student. Okay, name of the student is X. I assigned the student. I call that students go and bring my register, attendance register. So whenever I am calling the person X, I can call like that bring register function. When I am calling the bring register, the person will go and bring my register and give it to me. So this is the task. His duty is only to bring the register. Okay, apart from that, he never do anything else. So whatever I assigned the work, the same thing he will do and complete the task here. So in this way, the function call will work. So here we can pass the argument also. Whatever the argument I am passing here, directly it will come here. Okay, this is what function call. So this is also very important to discuss the concepts of data structure. I hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We will see in the next video.